We have a cruise destination that has dropped testing requirements. We have another cruise line that has dropped testing requirements. And we have a change coming from Princess Cruise Lines that could have you staying in a better cabin. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, let's jump right in. So this past Monday, August the 15th, the island of St. Kitts and Nevis announced that COVID-19 testing and vaccination requirements would be dropped for all visitors visiting the islands. Now, this is good news for cruise passengers, especially as we are waiting for more cruise ports to open up and allow unvaccinated, untested passengers to come in. That is over there on the Eastern Caribbean side, which is one of the requirements that Royal Caribbean was waiting on, more places to allow them to dock with unvaccinated and untested passengers to open up those options over there in Florida. So this is good news for cruisers, and I expect that we will see more of our cruise destinations begin to follow this route. Now, Windstar Cruises, they are a small, boutique, specialized cruise line. However, they are also now no longer going to require a pre-cruise test on any of their sailings, except for ones, of course, that go to Canada, Australia, Greece, and New Zealand. Now, Windstar Cruises is still going to require that every single passenger be fully vaccinated. They are only dropping the pre-cruise test requirement. Like I said, and this is a small cruise line. It is not one of the big giant cruise lines that we normally talk about, you know, your Carnivals, your Royals, ones like that. But it is another cruise line taking a step in the right direction towards returning cruising back to normal, back to how it was back in 2019. And finally, Princess Cruise Lines. They have announced a new upgrade program that is simply called the Princess Upgrade Program. So this new upgrade program is going to start September the 6th. Now, you have to have made your final cruise payment, has to have been paid for. And once it gets closer to your cruise, you will receive an invitation from Princess Cruise Line to bid on an upgraded stateroom. So for an example, if you are an inside cabin, you will get the opportunity to bid on, ocean view, balcony, mini suite, full suite. If you're already in a balcony, you would get like a mini suite, or a full suite would be your option. So you bid on an upgrade. Now, if you've ever sailed on Royal Caribbean, then you are probably already familiar with Royal Caribbean's Royal Up program. They sound like they're going to work exactly the same, that you're going to make your final payment. You're going to get an email saying, hey, these are the rooms that you can bid on for your upcoming cruise. You'll bid your amount, and then when it gets closer to the cruise, they will let you know if you have won a room upgrade, and of course let you know what that upgrade is. Now, this is a program, I really like this on Royal Caribbean, and the last couple times I've tried it, it's gone really well. I get the email, I bid on my upgrade. So far, I have always gotten an upgrade with Royal Caribbean. Now, as the ships, of course, increase capacity, get back up to 100%, I don't know if that's going to happen each and every time. I already have a Royal Up bid in for our upcoming sailing on Grandeur of the Seas. Haven't heard yet if we're going to get that upgrade or not. But if Princess's upgrade program works anything like it does at Royal Caribbean, you do get an opportunity to get an upgraded room at a cheaper price than you would have paid for it had you booked it. So if it ends up working like that, I think it's going to be really good. It's going to be a really good idea. And like I said, it's going to give people an opportunity to go into higher category rooms that they may not have been able to afford to start with, or give them an opportunity to try out an upgraded room at a, reduced price to see if they even like it. And that's going to be your cruise news for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there has a really great day today, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.